Guys, Miss Lopez here. I just want to go over math task. This is math task for day 5. I know sometimes it can get kind of confusing, and I'm going to try and record these videos as much as I can to help out with any confusion you guys may have. So the question is, Louis wants to give $15 to help kids who need school supplies. He also wants to buy a pair of shoes for $39. If Louis gets $1 every day for his allowance, how many days will it take him to save money for both? Explain how you know. Okay, so here we're going to, first off, we're going to ask ourselves, what do we know about Louis? We know that Louis wants to give $15 to help buy school supplies, and we also know Louis wants $39 to buy shoes. The last bit of information we have is that Louis gets $1 every day for his allowance. Okay, so with that information, I'm going to go to this next slide and kind of explain how we're going to figure out this answer using the information we already have. How much does he need for everything he wants to do? So basically, to figure out how much he needs, we're just going to add up those totals. He needs the $15 for the school supplies, and he needs the $39 for the shoes. If we add that up, and again, you guys can draw the TO chart. I didn't show an example here, but you can draw the TO chart and just make sure if you need to regroup 10 or more, we move it next door. That little chant we did in class will help you remember how to do that. So the next part here, Louis, he gets $1 every day. He needs a total of $54 to buy all of the supplies he needs. How many days will it take to collect it? So I did a little chart here that shows the days and then the amount of money he's going to get each day to kind of help show you guys the pattern that this is building. So you can see here on day 1, Louis is getting $1. On day 2, Louis is getting $2. On day 3, he's getting $3. And you can see that kind of continues on to day 4 all the way down to day 20. So each day you're adding $1. So on day 1, he has $1. Day 2, we're adding another $1. Day 3, we're adding another $1. And you can see each day we're adding 1, adding 1, adding 1 until we get down to day 20. And on day 20, Louis has $20, which as you can see is still not enough because he needs $54. So what do you guys notice here? You know, we always ask each other that in class. What do you notice with the patterns here? And I always say math is full of patterns and equations. And if we figure out that pattern and equation, we can plug in our numbers and figure out the answer. So I want you to look at it, and on day 20, Louis has $20. How many days rather, do you think it would take Louis to get to $54? Okay, I hope this information helps. Again, I'm going to try and post these videos as much as I can. If you have any questions or your parents have any questions, you guys can leave comments below, and I'm doing my best to get back to you in a timely manner. I miss you guys, and we'll talk soon. Goodbye.